Hi guys, I'm Liesl from AMALYZE, and today I'm going to talk about our related terms tool. When people search for products on Amazon, they search very differently. Let me give you some examples. Although buyers shop on Amazon's US marketplace, not all of them know English, or sometimes they don't know the right English search terms. Especially in the US, with many people speaking Spanish, some may search in their native language. This means that there are some buyers who don't search for baby carrier, but will instead search for portabebés, which is the Spanish term for baby carrier. If you want your product to be shown to those buyers as well, it's important for your listing to also rank for the search terms in a foreign language. You should be aware that not everyone uses the same words to search for the same product, also known as synonyms. Some buyers will search for trash can and some for garbage can or trash bin. All of these search terms mean the same thing and may be highly relevant for your product. You want to make sure to include these synonyms in your listing as well, so people can find what they're looking for. Finally, you need to pay attention to typos. Although Amazon catches most of them and redirects the buyer to the correct spelling, or at least asks, "Did you mean trash can?" when the user searches for trash cab, there are always new typos that Amazon isn't yet aware of. Especially when people use their cell phones to shop on Amazon, typos are very likely, depending on whether the buyer is using autocorrection or not. Without knowing the search terms in foreign languages, the synonyms, or without paying attention to typos, you may lose some users. But here's where our related terms tool will help you better understand and analyze. You'll learn how to analyze language habits like using synonyms and how to better analyze the search behavior of Amazon customers. First, open the Related Terms tool in AMALYZE Shield. Just click on the Related Terms widget. You can also click on Keywords in your menu and select Related Terms. After you've opened our Related Terms tool, you can choose a marketplace. Just click on the marketplace filter and you'll be able to choose between 6 marketplaces which we're currently monitoring: the US, Germany, Spain, France, UK, and Italy. In our example, we'll be using the US marketplace. Here you can type in the main search term you want to get results for. Our example uses a baby carrier. Just click on Submit to get the results. Below the filters, you'll see all the results for your search term. All of these terms have been used by end customers who are also searching for products which are ranking for the main search term. As you can see, it also includes different languages like Spanish, for example. Portabebés is the Spanish word for baby carrier. And we can also see that a lot of synonyms are being used. All of this information can be used to analyze your end customer's search behavior. And by looking at these terms, you can get a pretty good idea of what's important for your own content and what's also useful for your advertising. Here's another example. Let's say we want to get some related terms for a trash can. Type trash can into the main search term filter and click Submit. You can see that there are also misspelled words like trash can with a B on the end. There's also a metal trash can and a garbage can, which are synonyms. Here you can also see the size, or specifically what size is important for the end customer. And you'll also get so much more information by searching for the related terms in our tool. I hope you have a good idea now of what you can do with our Related Search Terms tool. It's extremely helpful in figuring out what terms the Amazon end customer is actually using to find the product they're specifically searching for. Give it a try. We bet you'll find some very helpful information. See you soon, and as always, happy analyzing.